I'm just on my way to our recycling depot on Roseneath Street in Clifton Hill. And I'm here to check out our brand new electric excavator. It's very exciting because it's the newest addition to our electric fleet, and it's the very first of its kind for a local council in Australia. And it's part of our transition towards an all-electric fleet by 2025. It's extremely quiet and it runs on 100% renewable electricity.
And if you crown your right hand in towards you, lock it.
I'm also taking the opportunity to drop off a whole stack of polystyrene to get converted into these heavy little polystyrene bricks that get used in the construction industry. Most people will just put their polystyrene in the bin, which is understandable because it's not recyclable, but our Clifton Hill depot can recycle it for you.
This one.
That looks heavy.
Very heavy.